All right, let's get right to it. Today, we are putting your new website on the absolute fast track. We're cutting out all the noise and focusing only on the first critical steps you need to get live.
So why are we even talking about WordPress? Well, look at this number. Over 43% of the entire internet runs on WordPress. It's not just popular, it's the undisputed king of website builders, and today you're going to launch your own.
You know, every great website needs a solid foundation. And for us, that foundation really comes down to two simple things: a domain name and web hosting. Just think of them as your address and your home on the internet.
So first up, you've got your domain name. The easiest way to think about this, it's literally your street address online. It's that unique thing people type into their browser. You know, yoursite.com to find you and only you.
Okay, so if the domain is the address, then the web hosting, well, that's the actual house. It's this powerful computer that stays on 24/7, and it's where you store everything, all your files, your text, your images, so the whole world can see your site.
So where do you actually get these things? Well, to make this as fast and simple as possible, you can get them both in one shot. If you head over to hosting.thewebdesigner.net, you can grab some really solid hosting, and the best part? They'll throw in your domain name for free for the first year. It's a no-brainer.
Now that you have your address and your land, it's time to build the house. Or, in our case, install WordPress. And listen, this used to be a super technical, complicated process, but today, it's pretty much all done for you.
Really, the whole thing just boils down to these 3 milestones. You pick a hosting plan that works for you, you claim that free domain name we just talked about, and then, with just a couple of clicks, the system automatically installs a brand new copy of WordPress for you. It's really that simple.
And just like that, boom, congratulations are in order. You've officially done it. You have a brand new WordPress website that is live and out there for anyone in the world to see. This is a huge first step, but we're not quite done yet. Now we need to prep it for building.
Okay, this next part is absolutely crucial. A fresh WordPress installation comes with a bit of, let's call it, clutter. So to make our lives easier and to avoid problems down the road, the very next thing we're going to do is create a clean, tidy workspace. A clean slate.
You see, right out of the box, WordPress gives you a bunch of stuff you just don't need. You're going to find a few default themes, some random pre-installed plugins, and of course the classic Hello World sample pages and posts. We're going to get rid of all of it. And the payoff here is huge. You go from this kind of cluttered, confusing dashboard to a clean, focused environment where you are totally in control. Trust me, this little step makes all the difference for a smooth workflow.
All right, our site is now perfectly clean and ready to go. So now we can install the one and only theme we're actually going to need. This is where we give our website that professional look and feel.
So what exactly is a theme? Simply put, the theme is the skin of your website. It controls everything you see: the colors, the fonts, the layout of the header, the footer, your pages. It's the design blueprint for everything you're about to build.
Now, there are literally thousands of themes to choose from, but we're going to pick one that punches way above its weight class. As the source material says so perfectly, Blocksy gives you premium, high-end features, but in a completely free package. It's honestly the best of both worlds.
And getting it installed is a piece of cake. Seriously, 4 quick steps. Inside your WordPress dashboard, you just go to Appearance, then Themes. You'll click Add New, search for Blocksy, and then hit Install and Activate. After that, a little prompt will pop up asking to install the Blocksy Companion plugin. Just click that and you are set. Now here is a final, super important step. Once Blocksy is up and running, go back to your themes page. You'll see those old default themes are still just sitting there. You only need one. So do yourself a favor. Click on each of the old ones and delete them. It keeps your site lean, fast, and more secure. So let's just quickly recap why this was such a smart move. Compared to those basic themes, Blocksy gives you way more customization options, it's built for excellent speed, and it's packed with a ton of features you'd normally have to pay for. And there you have it. Look at what you've done. In just a few minutes, you've gone from absolutely nothing to a live website on your own domain with a squeaky clean backend and a powerful professional theme installed. Your foundation is perfectly set.
Your foundation is set. The framework is solid, and all the right tools are in place. And that brings us to the final and most exciting question of all. What are you going to build?